What's up, guys? Thought I'd give you a room tour of my room aboard the Carnival Paradise, room M77. It is an ocean view, so let's take a look. As you enter, you have all your cabinets and stuff on the left. So cabinet space, safe, more cabinets, a couple of drawers, and then closet. The first section is divided, so you got plenty of room. The second section is full height, so you can put longer items in it, as well as a full body mirror, so you can look at yourself. As you enter, on the right is the bathroom. Standard Carnival shower. Does have a clothesline in the shower, so you can dry your stuff. Got my swim trunks drying from earlier. One little thing is right here above the mirror is, well, an outlet, so you can plug things in here. Now, out of the bathroom. Back to being on the left, you got the desk with vanity mirror, a couple more shelves. My prized possession from this cruise. Your phone, a 220 volt outlet, two regular 120 volt outlets, two USBs, one with high power, and of course the vanity mirror. Hi, I'm Mike, by the way. I did have the beds put together for this particular cruise. It's the first time I've ever actually had them together. Oh, one thing I just remembered. So in the drawer is always the hairdryer, but I didn't know I had this before I got on. There is a mini fridge underneath. Now, this one is not working at the moment. I did tell my room steward, so he will hopefully have that fixed for the next person. Little stool, and then just kind of a corner here. I've been using it to throw dirty clothes and whatnot in the corner. Large HD television. More USBs on the opposite side of the bed, one with high power. You also get a night light underneath when you want to just turn all the other lights off. And like I said, this is an ocean view and it's a little dark outside, but there you go. So you can wake up looking outside and have a nice view. But that was a tour of room M77 aboard the Carnival Paradise as of May 2019. I don't know if they have any future upgrades planned for it, but we'll see. Hope you enjoyed the video. Until next time.